Alright, today I got a 50-foot Flexzilla hose, and I'm going to be using that to drain my hot water heater. Feels a lot like just a regular old garden hose, maybe a little bit softer. One of the cool things about this is it actually has aluminum threads on here. So these are still garden hose connectors. They're still standard style thread. But whereas the bib on the outside of the house is brass, this is actually going to be a little bit softer, which means that if anything is going to get damaged, it's going to be this. It's not going to be your house. So I like seeing that. So the male side is firm. The female side does spin. And it has an O-ring in there to make that connection. No leaks, that's good. We got a good seal. And the water coming out of here is hot. This is right up to 140 degrees. I had it set to A, which is 120. So this hose is gonna be able to handle that no problem. I just gotta wait about 20 minutes. I'll be set. All right, so the tank is empty. You can give it a little bit more. Fill that up a couple gallons, let it drain, do it again, do it maybe 2-3 times, and then we will be done. But yeah, hose held up. That's a good hose.